We want to interrupt NBC News, that special report, to update you on that breaking news. It was not expected, but it is still sending shockwaves across the country and here in Indiana. The Supreme Court overturns Roe versus Wade, ending constitutional protections for abortion that had been in place nearly 50 years. Pro-life and pro-choice demonstrators, they are gathered outside the court. The ruling puts officials at the state level in charge of determining the future of women's reproductive rights. In 13 states, trigger laws automatically make abortion illegal today. And Governor Holcomb just announced that the special session he had already called will take up reproductive rights. NBC's Bree Jackson has the latest on the 6-3 vote and what it means.
In a 6-3 decision, conservative justices on the high court struck down Roe versus Wade, a federal law which protected women's rights to an abortion for over half a century. The Supreme Court's ruling is in regards to a Mississippi law that bans almost all abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. Today's decision met with outrage.
It feels like my country doesn't love me and appreciate my body as a woman. It hurts.
And celebration.
Complete and utter joy that it was finally overturned, but the determination, a steely determination that the battle is not over.
The High Court's ruling comes after a draft opinion written by Justice Samuel Alito and supported by at least 4 other conservative justices was leaked and then made public in May, sparking nationwide rallies from both sides, leading to fencing around the court and extra protection for justices. The leak also giving all states a warning, some preparing to fight for women's rights to an abortion, other states preparing for trigger laws to take effect. 50 years of policy abandoned, forcing women across the nation to rethink personal reproductive health care options depending on their home state. We're hearing reaction from lawmakers on Capitol Hill. Republicans have praised the decision, saying that it protects the unborn, while Democrats have called today's decision something that will endanger the lives of women everywhere. Outside the Supreme Court, I'm Bree Jackson for NBC News.
So since Indiana does not have a trigger law, what does it mean for us here? The Republican majority at the State House has been working to add abortion restrictions. Back in March, 100 lawmakers signed a letter asking Governor Holcomb to call a special session, which he has for other reasons. The governor has now said they will use that special session to address abortion in Indiana. Right now, here in the state, abortion is legal up to 22 weeks. And Indiana is a red state. The latest Pew poll on abortion in Indiana is 7 years old, but when taken, 43% of respondents said abortion should be legal, while 51% said it should be illegal, and 6% didn't know. And Governor Holcomb just released a statement saying the Supreme Court's decision is clear and it's now up to states to address the important issue. We'll do that in short order in Indiana. I've already called the General Assembly back on July 6th, and I expect members to take up this matter as well. I have been clear in stating I am pro-life. We have an opportunity to make progress in protecting the sanctity of life, and that's exactly what we will do.